lucky enough to have solar panels, battery storage and an electric vehicle. June 2024, the 29th of June to be exact. So far, I've generated 761 kilowatt hours of energy using the solar panels up on my roof. I'm going to show you how that translates from what's up in the sky, on my roof and parked on my drive, how much I pay for fuel. This includes fuel for my home and my electric vehicle. At the moment, I'm not using any energy. It's just before 10 o'clock. I'm sending a little to the national grid. And all of this information can be found in my Octopus Energy app. Energy I have imported has been before 5:30 in the morning, but it's the greenest for the grid. I've been topping up my battery at night. I have had the washing machine on too. June has been quite sunny. I've obviously made a credit on my energy bill. Using the Octopus app, I can look at it week to week, month to month or over the year. So far this week, I'm up about £9. You need to look at the bigger picture too. In the last 28 days, I've paid £21.94 to import energy off the national grid. I've got paid £78.26 for exporting energy I don't want to use back to the national grid to make it greener and to add a credit on my energy bill. This doesn't take into account free sunshine I've used in my home. I exported 521 kilowatt hours to the national grid. I generated well over 700 up on my roof. To work this out just takes a quick sum. So I'm going to take the figure from my Solar Edge app, which was 761 kilowatt hours this month, and minus it from 521, which gives me 240 kilowatt hours that I used in my home. Now, if I assume that would have cost me around 26 pence per kilowatt hour, I've used about £62 worth energy that I've got free from the sun. Obviously, not taking into account the install costs. I'm just going to add £56 which I had in export. That gives me a saving of £118 so far this month. But that's not the full story either. Within this figure includes all my fueling costs for my electric vehicle. Driven well over 600 miles this month. That's cost me around £7. 50% of the charging was done at home. 50% was done at a supercharger, which I do free. Could have done the charging at home. Because I had so many free supercharging miles, I stopped off for a free charge. I saved £99 compared to fueling a petrol or diesel car. If I take my £118, I added to the £99 I would have paid in a petrol or diesel car, a saving of around £217 so far this month using green tech in my home.